In this video, I want to show you how to manage errors in Penguin Recovery Jeet. Right now we are on the list of domains after Penguin Recovery Jeet has analyzed them and found out if they're toxic or not. The software keeps a record of any failure in collecting the data or in communicating with the website that it's collecting the data from, and if for some reason it is not able to get the required data, the software does not crash, but it makes a record of the failure and it continues. It generates the analysis that you have on the basis of all the other data that has been uncovered, so you still get a pretty accurate analysis. But you can actually see the errors that happened. If you click on the errors button, you will find the website name, you will find the section in which the error happened, where exactly the data could not be collected, and the reason why the error happened, and of course the date of the error. You can see, for example, that while looking for this website, we could not get the AdWords data because the operation timed out, which means the website wasn't loading so well. This can happen if the website in question is slow or if it is not working so well, or there can be a number of problems which might occur, and Penguin Recovery Jeet keeps a record of all these problems. If you double click on the website name, you will see the stack trace, and in case it is something that you need to get resolved, you can send us a screenshot of the stack trace which will tell us exactly where this error happened, and we can work on providing you any resolutions if required. But most of the time the error would be obvious. Once you read the error text, you would be able to understand what happened. For example, in getting this website, the remote server returned a 500 error or a 403 error, and you know that it's because there is some problem at the other end. Most of the time it is the case. So this is how you actually keep a record of all the errors inside Penguin Recovery Jeet, and this actually is very helpful for you, because if you have this data, you can try and recover from some of the errors. You can try and get the missing data for some of the errors. For example, take this website Jyotirveda. We could not get the age or the AdWords. Now if we look over here in the domains list, we'll find it over here again. Right, it's right here. And if we want, we can right click on the menu and click on recheck, which will check the website again, and it's quite likely that we'll be able to get the data that we missed the last time this time. So we're gonna wait a little while this happens. Okay, so you can see that the data has been collected now, and the new analysis says that it is not such a good site for the health. So this is how you can actually recover from errors, where you can find out what was missing and then you can get a resolution for it. And of course, if you want to clear the errors list, if you want to clear the errors database, you can click on the clear errors box over here, so that you can get new errors, so that you can keep track of the new errors that happen. So this is the section about handling the errors. I'm sure after watching this you'll be able to understand how to cope with errors inside Penguin Recovery Jeet.